Hi friends, I am Dr. Gaurika and in this video I am going to tell you the most important and powerful 5 tips you should follow while preparing for an examination. Tip number 1 is make a study plan. The very important aspect while preparing for the examination is that you need to make a study plan. Now the question comes in the mind that how should we prepare a study plan? Let's assume that there are 5 weeks and you have 5 subjects to prepare. Now you can divide the time for each subject, which means 1 week for each subject. So you can prepare for 5 days and you can keep 2 days for the revision. Now coming to the tip number 2, which is very important, is time management. One should make a timetable. Means that discipline is the key to achieve anything. So prepare a timetable and follow that timetable. Tip number 3 is that keep yourself positive. खुद को खुश रखोगे तो सब कुछ बढ़िया है. Means that you need to keep your thoughts positive. Never say that I cannot do it. मुझे टेंशन हो रही है, मुझसे ये काम नहीं हो पाएगा. Instead, keep yourself positive. Don't say I will try to do it. Say that I will do it. Tip number 4. Use flowcharts and diagram. Visual aids can be really helpful when revising. At the starting of any topic, challenge yourself and write down everything you know about the topic and then highlight the gaps. Now, coming to the 5th tip, the last tip is that explain your answers to your parents, your friends, your little brothers and sisters. Take care that they are not annoyed at your exam time. So you can explain your answers to them, which will help you to retain the coursework in your mind. So follow these 5 tips to how to prepare for the examination and excel in your examination. Thank you very much.